Hi guys, how are you? So in today's video, I will discuss how to uh, create a website in 10 minutes. So it very much easy. Let's see our first. Let's see our web page. Here is our web page. Visit our site after installing Exam and WordPress. So it's our web page after seeing edit. Okay, so you must have elementor page builder. First you have elementor page builder. Add new plugins. So go, I have already elementor installed and it is activated. But let me show you elementor page builder. So as you can see, I already have elementor website builder, and it's activated and updated. I also have elementor hidden in footer. So now I will install Astra. Okay, Astra plugins and Astra, and it's also installed. I already installed it. Let me install themes of the same Astra. Okay, I want to activate these themes, Astra themes, and once it install, I will once it's activated. So Astra themes is activated. Now once again I visit here to see it's running. Okay, so Astra themes install, Astra plugins install, and inventory install. Okay, so let me go to the plugins and the install plugin. Let me show you the install plugins here. So it's Elementor and Pro Elements startup template. I activate it. Starter template, and here all the plugins are here. Once activated, so start is the art style. So it's now go to C library, C starter template. I will today to show you how getting started with starter template. So get below, build your website now. You can, these are 3 page builder, blog editor, but the easy one is Elementor. Let's start with Elementor. Here you can choose any free themes to start with it, to start your websites. There are some premium and some free. You can choose only a free to start with. Let me show for rent a car, rent a car, rent a car, rent a car, searching for rent a car. So here it is. Let me show. You can also go with this. We go with this. But I will select this website, rent a car. Click on this And here you go, you can also, if you want, you upload your file here. If you have a custom logo, now skip and continue. You can choose your color. Here it is your website and you can edit it later, but let me go with it. You can set the color of any color, or choose the old one, you choose this one, you can go okay. Now you can choose with this also, continue, skip. We are close to complete the process, please clear the following update, skip and continue, and go and I agree. Okay, submit my website. It will take some time, so wait please. Here you can see you are building your website, importing these plugin form, everything. So it 23% done. Let's wait. So yeah, 90% done. Finalize, final finishing. 100. We are building your website done. And hoorah! We have a website. Your website is ready. It took 23 minutes to build. It's just 3-4-5 minutes to build. Now go and view your website, how it looks. I told you it will take 10 minutes, but it takes just 3-4 minutes to build your first website. Guys, if you need a rent-a-car website or any website, go my description and follow the Fiverr website. So this is the rent-a-car website I built just right now. Here you can see a very beautiful website. I just made it in a rent-a-car website. Very beautiful website. You can customize its letter. That is a very beautiful website. You can go to, this is the custom. Okay, so it's contact, our fleet, services, about us, home. We will again services. That is the website we made with elementor. We made with the wordpress, and now we will edit it with elementor. So okay guys, it's the beautiful website. You can easily create with elementor and edit it just with a drag and drop some items. So it's loaded upon. You can easily, if you want, you can change that. So let's go to edit with elementor. Click on edit with elementor, and it's here. You can edit anything. Like to click here, and you can also, if you create v value, like to do anything, like to wait, control C and push it down more, somewhere. You can do anything. You can shift it, and you can post some click, and also you can give some more color, like to edit just with this elementor and give some styling text color to be this one, or you can like this. It depends on you what type of color you want to select it. keystroke. You can add more stroke. It depends on your shadow. Advanced style, like to default with position, absolute effects, or anything else. You can put this full width. Okay, it's depend on you. It is default again, and you can update it anytime. You can also, if you want to add, change this per day or per hour, just by clicking here. It's very much easy. Also change the picture here, just by now edit it. You can do ton of, but give anything and add everything. If you just go by editing this picture of motor car, you can set a different car here, or changing the number, like I change the text, and if I go below you can see it's also change up. It's very easily you can create a website, and also you can use your custom header and footer here if you want. For custom header and footer, what you will do, you should go again to local web, and I'm here and I'm actually going to install the plugin of header and footer. I already installed it, and to activate this, which one to activate? Elementor header and footer. Let me activate it. Once activated, I will put the custom header and footer. Go here, click on elementor header and footer, and click it. I'm a WordPress beginner, and what I will say, okay, skip it. Okay, let's go with elementor header. Right now header, I am to header, and type some template header, select an entire website, roles all, and publish. Is this will be the custom header and footer. And now edit with the elementor, the header. So now I'm here and looking for custom header and footer. If I found it, maybe let me here in the blog section, pages, blogs. There are no header blocks, but I will show you if I find it. Okay, it's elementary fee, so I did not find it. And now I will go here, create a section, and from here I made another video. You can see the same video, menu, navigation menu. This one is okay. Let me use it. This night, rents for nights, rent for birthday. So here is the header now, horizontal. You can use vertical expanded. So it's the expanded. Okay, if I publish it and see the changes, what happened of my header. Okay, so here it's go. So it's, you can see it, and I am here fly out of this R. So here is another type, fly out, just it will show here. Okay, so it's one, so it's the header. Okay, yes, let me publish it. And with the same way you can also create a footer too if your customer need it. The video will be too long, it will take much. So you next look at the services page, look very beautiful. You can also create a pop-up message if you want. So it says in some other video. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe.